Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll be showing you how you can create a presentation in Google Slide. Alright guys, here I have opened my Google application on my laptop, and the first thing we have to do is clicking on this button. Then you can scroll down until you find the Google Slides option, and this is the Slides option, so you have to tap on it. Then if you want to create new presentation, you can simply click on this plus button. Then the new presentation will be created on your Google Slide. Okay, and we can edit this presentation right here. So for example, if you want to change the theme, you can click on theme option right here. And then for example, I'm just gonna select this theme. But if you are not satisfied with this theme, you can click on import theme right here. Then you can import theme from your device. And for me, I'm just going to select this one. Okay. And now the theme has been changed. And if you want to edit the presentation, for example, if you want to add title, you can add the title right here. So for example, I'm going to add presentation. Okay, and this is for the subtitle. And if you want to add a new slide, you can simply click on this plus button. Then for example, I'm going to write slide 1. Okay, and then I'm going to add new slide again. And I'm going to name it slide 2. Okay, and if you want to apply transition for your slide, you just need to click on transition right here. Then you can select the transition that you want. And for example, I'm going to choose this one. And if you want to apply this transition to all slides, we can click on this option. Okay, and then you can click on play to check the transition. So I'm going to click on play right here. All right. Okay guys, and then if you want to check your presentation before you save it, you can click on slideshow right here, and then we can check it. So okay, this is the presentation, and you can add picture to your presentation by clicking on this picture option, or you can also add text box. It's up to you guys, and you can edit as you like. Alright guys, and that's how we can create a presentation in Google Slide. I hope this tutorial will be helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you on the next video.